What are you doing? Hi, welcome. It's been roughly 8,000 years since my last video, and I apologize for that. But today I thought we'd do another little tutorial, and instead of me teaching you how to do it, I'm going to hand this over to my resident apprentice.
Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pincushion, or if you're in the 18th century, a pin pillow. To make a pin pillow, you will need 2 pieces of fabric. To make it easy, I am using 2 4-inch squares, but you could totally make a heart shape or something else too.
As an aside, most of the accent examples I've seen, as well as the pincushions that pop up in drawings and paintings, are wool or silk. But printed cotton is also fine, and she likes it.
First, put the fabric on top of each other, pretty sides together. It might help you to use one of these weird pens my mom has that disappears. Trace around the seam allowance so you don't accidentally make things crooked. Next, I'm going to pin it together to make sure the fabric doesn't slide around. Before I start stitching, I need to put a knot in my thread so it doesn't slip through the fabric. Ready, set, sew! I'm going to sew almost all the way, but leave a small opening on one side so I can turn this inside out later. To sew the sides, I'm going to use a back stitch. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the stitches need to be pretty small so the stuffing doesn't poke out when it's done. Once I've sewn almost all the way around, I need to knot off my thread. Then I can snip off my corners. Don't cut the stitches. And start turning the cushion right side out. To stuff the pillow, I have a bunch of wool, but you can use fabric scraps or whatever. When it's stuffed, I'm going to fold in the opening. After that, I need to do a lip stitch to close it. Like before, I need to anchor my thread, but I'm going to do it on the inside of the opening to hide the knot. I made a pillow. You don't have to do this last step, but I like to have a way to tie my pillow onto things. Take a ribbon and fold in half, then whip stitch it onto one of the sides of the pin pillow. Ta-da! Okay, I'm gonna go play Zelda now. Bye!
You can't just leave them.